Once upon a time, a tiny seed lay in a farmer's hand. The farmer looked at it and said kindly, "You'll grow into a big tree one day." The seed smiled happily and waited for her journey to begin. The farmer planted her in a patch of soil beside the fence. The seed was excited. "This is where I'll grow," she thought. But soon a butterfly fluttered by and said, "Oh dear, you're too close to the fence. You'll never get enough sunlight here." The seed grew worried. Maybe she's right, she thought. So that night, when the wind blew, she let herself roll away. The next morning she stopped near a stone. "This looks like a good place," she said and started to settle. Just then, a worm popped out of the ground. "This soil is too hard," said the worm. "You won't grow here." The seed believed him and rolled away again. After a long while she reached the edge of a pond. She felt the cool air and thought, "Now this feels perfect." A frog nearby croaked, "Don't be silly. When it rains, this area floods. You'll drown," the seed sighed. Maybe he's right too. And once more she let the wind carry her away. By evening she was tired and weak. She had rolled all day and still hadn't found her place. Her shell had cracked, and her hope had faded. She whispered sadly, "Maybe I'm not meant to grow at all." Just then, an old leaf fell beside her. The leaf asked softly, "Why are you so sad, little one?" The seed told her story, how everyone kept warning her, and how she kept leaving every place she tried to grow. The old leaf smiled gently and said, "If you keep running from challenges, you'll never take root. Every place has its problems. Growth doesn't depend on the place. It depends on your patience." The seed thought deeply. For the first time, she decided not to move. She stayed right there beside the leaf and faced the cold, the wind and the rain. Days passed, and slowly, very slowly, she began to sprout. The worm came again and said, "You did it." The butterfly flew by and whispered, "You're growing beautifully." Even the frog croaked happily from the pond. The little seed had finally learned her lesson. Growth doesn't come from finding the perfect place. It comes from staying firm, believing in yourself, and working through the storms. Moral: when you begin something new, many voices will tell you it won't work. But only you can decide when to stay and when to grow. Success belongs to those who stay rooted, no matter how strong the wind blows. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.